Although this puppy's not acting like it's supposed to. Yeah, really.
This is the first American produced toaster. We call it a Percher.
Many are antiques dating from the dawn of electric toasting, around 1908.
While this thing is glowing red hot, you have to pick the piece of bread up and turn it over the other way, which is could be disastrous.
There must be a trick to
It's
it.
got to be a trick that you have to be fast.
From perchers to pinchers,
One of the ideas that was really a breakthrough in toaster was being able to turn a piece of toast over.
floppers, and swingers.
Toast is faster in terms of print, and as a result, it turns itself to the other side.
The toaster mirroring the cultural and design history of the 20th century.
And with the advent of interest in club sandwiches, you begin to see a toaster that shows good slices of bread.
The quest to build a better toaster attracted some of our greatest minds, like the guy who invented the light bulb.
These are basically the items that Edison made called Ettercraft, and they're very extremely well made, very durable.